iPhone 16 Pro Max Review, Design and Features Breakdown. Welcome to our full review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple has once again set a new standard in design and performance with their latest flagship device. In this video, we'll break down the iPhone 16 Pro Max design, key features, and everything you need to know before making your decision. 1. Design Overview. Let's start with the design. Apple has gone for a sleeker, more refined look this year. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a matte glass back and a surgical-grade stainless steel frame, giving it a premium feel in hand. The colors available this time around are graphite black, silver, deep blue, and a new sunset gold. 2. Size and display. Though similar in size to its predecessor, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features a slightly slimmer profile, making it easier to hold despite its 6.9-inch display. The screen is an upgraded ProMotion OLED panel with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, offering incredibly smooth scrolling, vivid colors, and sharp details. The Super Retina XDR display delivers deeper blacks, brighter whites, and even better HDR performance than before, making it perfect for watching videos or playing games. 3. Dynamic Island and Face ID enhancements. Apple's Dynamic Island has received a few upgrades as well. It's more interactive and integrated with notifications and app controls, allowing for better multitasking right from your home screen. Additionally, Face ID is faster and more reliable than ever, working from more angles and even in low light. 4. Camera design and features. On the back, the iPhone 16 Pro Max retains the signature triple-lens camera system. Apple has introduced a 48MP main sensor with larger pixels for better low-light performance and sharper images. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses have also been improved, allowing for even more detailed shots, especially with the enhanced 5x optical zoom. Whether you're taking wide-angle landscapes or zoomed-in portraits, the iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers stunning results. The improved night mode and cinematic mode also push mobile videography to the next level. 5. Build quality and durability. Durability is another area where Apple has made significant strides. The ceramic shield front cover is tougher than any smartphone glass, and the phone is rated IP68 for water and dust resistance. You won't need to worry about everyday bumps and drops. 6. Performance and battery life. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the A17 Bionic chip. It's the fastest chip in any smartphone, ensuring smooth performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Paired with a 5000 mAh battery, the phone easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage. Plus, with faster 30W charging support, you can recharge in no time. 7. Final thoughts. The iPhone 16 Pro Max continues Apple's tradition of delivering cutting-edge design, powerful performance, and incredible camera quality. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or switching from another brand, this phone is designed to impress. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech reviews. See you in the next video.